Alrighty guys, so I'm going to show you the Viper alarm start. The Viper pager alarm system here. Shock sensor went off. So this 2001 TJ Jeep Wrangler. So we pretty much put everything on here. Shock sensor, LED light. We did the 5305 from Viper, which comes with 2 remotes and all that good stuff. So the only thing this one did not have was power door locks. So we had to add actuators to both doors, and we added some relays as well. I'm going to demonstrate how it works. So pretty much locks everything up. This one's got that built-in shock sensor, so if somebody was to tap it extremely hard, it's gonna go off. You can hear it's extremely loud. It's gonna tell you on here, shock sensor's going off. So what you got to do is just reset it so that it won't be indicating anymore. It does have a built-in kill switch, so they try to start it. Even if they try to push start it with the clutch, I did the clutch bypass so that they won't be able to start it. It's got the hood pin, so I'll demonstrate this one. So it's locked, right? Let's say somebody was to try to just mess with your Jeep. Boom, it's gonna go off. It's gonna tell you on here, somebody opened up the hood. So we got a pin switch right there. So it's got a kill switch. Let's say somebody tries to go in and somehow start it, it's not going to start. Even with the clutch all the way down, it's not going to start. Okay. Hit the unlock, clutch, start right up. Okay, so that's that. Lock, everything works great.